What's good, YouTube?
Welcome back to our channel, guys. It's been a long time, but to be honest, we just haven't had anything to film. Today we have something decent.
Today we are going on a hike here near Pasadena and Altadena. What's it called?
Walk and talk. I think it's called Eaton Canyon.
Eaton Canyon. So after this video, let's see what this is about. I guess we came here for the waterfall. They supposedly have a waterfall.
Yeah, and if it's dried up, then
we came here.
This is what is
a waste of gas.
Yeah. No.
Because it's not
a scam.
It's not the closest.
Oh, look, right here. Look at the trail.
We are here. Anyways, let's start this fucking trail. And we're here with our guests,
Miss
Bella and Miss Daisy. Yeah. And then we're gonna see if this little ass tiny one will make it. Anyways, it's been really hot lately, and
we try to come as early as possible so we won't catch the heat.
Yeah, this lighting is horrible.
I don't know if that's the case because it's already starting to get hot, and it's like 8.
Yeah, like
30.
Recently in LA, they says it's like 15 to 20 degrees hotter than normal, which is insane. It's been like in the mid 80s, and I don't know if we're still in winter or getting out of winter, but like
I think we're going into spring.
Yeah, but still, for it to be 15 to 20 degrees hotter, insane. But hopefully, I mean, it actually feels it's nice weather right now, but later on, I don't know, we might be with our tongues out like the dogs. But also we got the little sombreritos right here, feel me? So that we won't get burned. But we'll catch y'all. We'll catch as y'all we hike.
Came down to a little river. See here. Daisy, this way. This way. I want to touch it.
Drink it. I'll drink it.
No.
From here though. This is where it filters.
No.
I'm gonna try it.
No.
Here.
Sit. Give me the dogs. No, pass me my canteen.
Oh.
You get your shoes wet.
It's actually pretty good. Try it.
No.
It's actually pretty good.
No.
Here. But it actually tastes fresh.
Come in the water. Black and white. Look at your nose. It's in the water. What? You're gonna make you nervous. Oh.
Nervous for what?
Trying to make it refresh, Leo.
For what?
Cold water? You're making cold. Yeah, I want to let me put my hands first. You. Dominic! Whoa! It tastes sweet.
Right?
Still.
That.
Like, it tastes fresh, but I would not ever do that again.
You wouldn't do that again.
No. That's nasty. I can't believe
What if you on survival mode?
Okay, if that's the case, then yeah, but as of right now, I'm not on survival mode.
If the dogs could drink it, we could drink it. Here.
Pass me my canteen. Turn around. I put ice in this beat and everything.
Okay. Pero para bañarse.
Bien, look. Leo, you want some water?
We just got done passing the biggest river. Now my dog is all fucking dirty. And I gotta take in my car. Se bañó. Come on, Bella. But this is, so far this is what we have encountered. Small little river. A little mini waterfall. We're getting towards the finale. We made it, how many miles? Maybe like 3? I don't know.
But let me tell you, nobody's
tired
to walk all over the river.
Let's go. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. See if you guys can see it from here. Wait, where is it? Oh, sorry. No, how are you gonna get inside the car?
Wait, how are these dogs gonna get inside the car?
See?
Come on.
I hope you fall. Imagine me fall for fucking recording.
What?
Imagine I fall for recording. Huh. Move. Stupid. How you feeling?
Good. I didn't think we had to hike all this shit. And I was just thinking about how we just feel relieved to get here. Imagine to go all the way back.
But it's just down here from here.
Down.
It's downhill from here. So that's. Look at that paws, all dirty. Homegirl stuck. Hurry up. No slip. That's all. Oh, I'm dead. Go. Oh! Girl, wait for me. Honey.
Press me here.
Come here. We made it.
Guys, we made it.
We almost died in that little. But this is it.
Look the camera. Feel like I'm so up.
Look at these people.
You don't have to do that.
Right now?
Get in the water.
Right now? Right now?
Yes.
Jeez.
We did not just hike all this shit.
It's called a hike. We didn't go to no water park. Yeah, I don't know about that. Yeah, there's a lot of people though. I approve of this trail. That's pretty good. What's it called again?
Eaton Canyon. Guys, we just went in the water. We're gonna go back. We're gonna take a cute picture. But Dada, you're not gonna want to eat later.
Big eats, let's get his gains all day, boy.
We came to In-N-Out. That's the point. We came to In-N-Out.
Disrespect me like that. If I want a 4x4, I'm gonna get a 4x4.
Alright, so then why you ask me? Don't ask me next time.
Gains all day.
Anyway, like I said, we got to In-N-Out. And we stopped by Target first because I had to pick up some things.
Got the dog some. What are they called?
Pup patties.
Puppy patties?
Yeah, puppy patties. Para que se harta. Bella gonna eat that shit in like 0.5 seconds.
That's it. She's gonna get 2 gobbles and that's it.
Period.
Yeah, after this, we're gonna go home. You know,
I'm making cupcakes.
Oh yeah, she's making cupcakes for
So
her
I have to pipe
sister.
them.
Yeah, she's taking to her sister's folklorico, right?
Yeah, it's for a dance.
For her dance team. And after that, as y'all know, it's or may not, it's Super Bowl Sunday.
Look at your dog.
Shh, go over there. Come on now. It's Super Bowl Sunday. Go Rams. You already know, LA all day. Probably gonna make a little carne asada at my house, and then probably head to my sister's house to go watch the game. Yeah, see the game. I'm ready for that Super Bowl.
Who do you think is gonna win? I think the Rams are gonna win.
I know they're gonna win.
Well, they better win.
They better win. Yeah, they better win. It's in
Bowl, yeah, the
Super Bowl is in LA.
And LA made it to the Super Bowl.
Exactly.
So they better fucking win.
They better bring their A game.
Yep.
Yeah, but the Bengals are pretty good. I mean, gotta give them to that. But yeah, so we'll catch y'all later.
Yeah, we're gonna grub right now.
Yeah.
So we started. It is 12 o'clock.
We hangry.
And we got there at 8:30.
Loki took longer.
Yeah.
Like the trail wasn't even that long, but like
I think it's
just
because
too
we
much
chilled too long.
Yeah, and also like too much terrain, like too many rocks, gotta go through the water. It's just very time consuming, but it was fun.
Yeah.
Y'all should definitely check it out. Eaton Canyon, right?
Eaton.
Oh, Eaton Canyon.
Whatever it's called.
Whatever it's called. It's in Pasadena or Altadena. Definitely check it out. It's pretty cool. If y'all lazy and don't like hiking or running a lot,
that's the place to go.
It's not that long, like we said.
The only thing that's a bit difficult is that there's a lot of rocks, so you have to be hopping over all those rocks.
Yeah.
In order to get to the waterfront. I mean, if you don't want to make it to the waterfront and you ain't gotta do all that, if you just want to meet right where the river's at, then that's cool. But the whole point is to go to the waterfront.
Yeah.
So at first I didn't want to do it, and Justin was like, "No, we're going," and I was like,
But like, y'all should, I mean, get in the water. It's actually, I'm not someone who usually gets in the water. Like, I hate being wet when I'm like, unless I'm going to the beach or I know I'm going somewhere to get wet. I hate getting wet. But it was cool.
yeah.
It was cool.
And we weren't prepared.
Yeah.
People were like in bathing suits and shit, and we did not do that. So we were like, we're not gonna get in, you know. But we just went in with our shoes and everything. I mean, we dried pretty fast on the way back because that was low-key a long hike back.
Yeah, and it was pretty hot, so
yeah,
it was cool. But we'll catch y'all later.
and the dogs dried up too because they was swimming. This one was basically drowning. That water was cold, super cold. Like to the point where our feet got numb when we were in there.
But it felt so good because it was hot, like you said. Yeah. But we'll catch y'all later.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bella, say bye.
Bella.
Later. Period. Okay guys, it's a lot later now. I came home and I went straight to making the strawberries and the cupcakes that I told you guys I was gonna do. I'm not sure if I actually told you guys. Took a shower and everything, and I'm ready to go to Justin's mom's house. We're gonna watch the game, I believe. I will catch you guys when I get to Justin's house, because yeah, it's currently actually, the game already started, to be exact. I think they're on the second quarter. Not too sure, but oh, let me show you guys the strawberries. Here they have saran wrap over them, but here goes the cupcakes and the strawberries. Yum. Anyways, made it to Justin's house, and the Rams are winning, I guess.
Yeah, and
barely.
She brought cupcakes and.
Oh yeah, I showed them already.
Oh, you showed them?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're pretty good. Even though I haven't had them, but I had them last night.
But you didn't try the cupcakes. And you told me you wanted the white frosting, and I put the white frosting on them, and
I'm gonna eat it just after I eat.
Alright guys. Should we just end the video off here? So the game is over.
And guess What?
The Rams won. You already know LA is
one city of champions, baby.
Period.
City of champions.
Right now we're getting crepes.
Yes, we're ending our nights
with
crepes. Viva, if you're from LA, South Central, or not, come support, you know, this Hispanic, Latino, Latinx.
Yeah.
Family-owned business.
Yeah.
Viva la vida crepes, right?
Yeah, it's called Viva la Vida crepes. But let me tell you, these crepes are bomb. You follow them on Instagram too. They have an Instagram.
They do catering, I think.
I think so too. And they do the mini pancakes. And they have like plátanos fritos
con lechera. They have
churros.
And I think
preparados.
And I don't know if they still have atol. But if they do, or like champurrado.
They used to have like atol de nuez or something like that.
Yeah, they have. It's pretty good.
Yep. And they literally got everything you could put on your crepe. And they sell ice cream too.
Yes. And if y'all familiar with the area, it's literally right in front of Ross.
On Figueroa.
On Figueroa and Vernon. Y'all can't miss them.
Yeah. They're like in a little truck like this.
Yeah, let's show them what it is.
Not sponsored. I wish they'd sponsor us because we stay here. We literally stay coming here. Why? Because of who? Because of me.
Thank you guys for tuning in into our day.
Super Bowl Sunday.
Super Bowl Sunday, the day before Valentine's. We hope y'all had a great Valentine's because y'all probably will see this after. Right?
And if you live in LA, please stay safe because it's getting rowdy right now.
Stay safe, y'all. Happy Valentine's. We love y'all.
And we'll see you in our next video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.